Hi, it's Panda. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this strawberry pink drink. You're going to need some thick, sexy strawberries, a ultra pink monster, some Starburst strawberry drink mix. This just makes the drink have a lot more strawberry flavor, and a cup. I'm using a Starbucks cup for the aesthetic. You can of course use whatever you want. And some ice. I really wish I had some cute ice trays, but I just had this plain ice and a measuring cup. I put 1 cup of Monster, and I add 1 pouch of the Starburst strawberry pink drink mix. Then stir until it's completely mixed. Hopefully you don't stir as messy as me because I accidentally had a spill. After this, gonna set it aside and move on to the strawberries. Select the strawberries that you want to hurt. So I like to add layers. I put strawberries, then ice, and then strawberries again, and I just repeat that several times until I get to the top. I just think it looks nice when you put the drink. And that's pretty much it. I think this is a perfect drink for the summer, and of course you're going to get some energy because it has Monster in it. It's not exactly like Starbucks because it is carbonated, but I think it tastes great. I hope you enjoy it if you try it. I will be making another video soon. Bye guys!